I am super pumped because my DIMO unit just came in. Let's go connect it to my car. Make sure you add the DIMO mobile app and then add your car. In most vehicles, the port is under the steering wheel. If you have an existing plug-in device, you can use a splitter. Most users install the device in one of 4 places: the dash, back seat, steering column, or center console. If you're using tape or the included Velcro, make sure you clean and dry the surface first. If you want to attach the device to the steering column, you're going to want to use a short cable. For the center console or dashboard, you're going to want to use a medium-sized cable. A longer cable allows you to attach the device anywhere else in your vehicle. We're going to plug our device in right here, and now you're ready to pair. For a clean install, you can hide the cable in your vehicle's trim. If you have any questions about install, the DIMO community is really helpful.